I just closed on the biggest real estate flip I've ever done in almost 20 years as a flipper. I made $1.4 million as a net profit on one single family residential deal. Check this out. This is the closing statement. Let me walk you through my net proceeds. You can see this closed on 3/1/23. The sale price was $4.65 million. I paid a $1,000 credit to the seller for a cleaning fee. I had about $6,500 I owed in property taxes. I had a loan payoff of $2.9 million. This was the loan I had on the property. I paid $232,000 in commissions to real estate agents. As the seller, I paid $8,000 in title insurance. And then all of these fees, $1,700, $100, $100, these were all closing fees to the title company. I agreed to pay a $1,000 home warranty to the buyer. This is $150,000 early disbursement. This was the earnest money that the buyer put down that I got them to agree to release to me. So I already received this $150,000. And so when you subtract out everything from the sale price of $4.6 million, I got a net proceeds of $1.261 million. So if you add up the $150,000 that I already received plus my $1.2 million net proceeds, this single deal made me $1,411,217.41. Now guys, this is why you do big deals. Something that I like to say all the time is it's just as much work to do a big deal as it is to do a little deal. This was a flip. I had to buy a property. I had to hire contractors. I had to do all the same things, find a buyer, sell it. But this deal made me $1.4 million instead of what most people do is tiny little flips that make $20,000, $25,000, and it's the same work. More zeros, bigger rehab, but essentially it is the exact same thing. This is why I want you to keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, keep progressing, keep developing as a flipper, and then one day you can do big deals like this, making $1.5 million on one single deal. So listen, if you want to do deals like this and build a multi-million-dollar real estate empire flipping houses, I'll show you how. Go to fasttrackwithjerry.com.